out of home. Where are you from?
Yes, at this moment I am from my residence and I'm staying my classroom where I teach my students.
I'm Nazmul Haq. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh, Dhaka Division and Kishorganj district, Husainpur Upazila and Kurimara village. Now I stay in front of my house here. I see the green scenery and weather.
Yeah, this is Mazharul Islam. I am from Bangladesh and my district name is Mymensingh. My division name is also Mymensingh. It's a new division in Bangladesh and it's 8th division in Bangladesh. And my Upazila name is Gafurgan. My village name is Mukhi. My post office name is Mukhi. My union name is Moshakali. And
Okay,
I'm a
thank you,
teacher
sir.
of government high school. Name is Gafurgan Islamia Government High School. And I started my career in 2011, 14 September. Matripit Government Girls High School in Chatpur. Here I stayed 15 months. Then I transferred to my present working place, and here and there I have been working in 2014. 2013 I have been completed my B.Ed education in B.Ed, and I have also completed my masters in M.Ed last year. Okay.
Okay, thank you. You are very brilliant and teacher. I imagine you contribute your country to serve the student, and you are very grateful when you are very interested in ICT subject. So I think that you are very good job in teacher. You give your student, you make some presentation and upload the teachers portal of Bangladesh. Here you and other Muktapat other portal here many videos you can see and some certificate here, and you earn 50 lakh point here. I'm very grateful. That is this is a very good for you.
Yeah.
I think.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nazmul Hussain. I know about you that you are a very excellent teacher in ICT. You are the best teacher of weekend, but I'm not yet selected as the best teacher of the weekend. But I'm trying my level best, and I know new things from you because you are always trying to discover new things, but I am trying to learn new things from you, not only from you but also those who are known to the best teacher in ICT. I am always knocking them and they help me, and you are one of them and you are my favorite because sometimes when I fall in difficulty and I try to help from you and you also help me, and I also try to discover new things and I teach my students very good things and very smartly, and I always use MMC apps multimedia from before Ramadan, and it's a huge time to stop my institution. At that time my present yesterday completed my half yearly exam. Tomorrow will open my school, and from tomorrow I will start my new journey and with my students because I have already taken a training course. What I have learned many things, but I didn't teach my students because UNESCO Toolkits. It's an excellent idea, and I
Oh
have
yeah,
already
it's a very good software. You use science subject
yeah, yeah,
very actively and longer
yeah, yeah,
lasting.
and
This
I have,
when I
yeah,
use when we are use this application software, it is very useful the student and we are because when we make a plan lesson plan, it is very longer, but UNESCO tool has multiple question very shortly, and here UNESCO tool have many science subject very easily, and here many videos, audios, and multimedia contents enrich this software.
Yeah, I know that UNESCO Toolkits is a great opportunity for students as long as a teacher, because if I want to teach them very scientifically, I use it, because in these everythings are present in very easily. If I teach them and students receive from it, he or she can understand very hard things by very easy way.
Easy way.
And
Okay.
and
Thank you so
and
much.
I have already decided that I use it in my class, and I hope that my students will be very pleasure when they was such kind of programs and such kind of uh, video, such kind of analyzing things, and it's very helpful for students. And already I have seen it, and I must use it from tomorrow. And I also use uh, in my class multimedia
Multiple choice
content.
question. Multiple choice question and multi content, MNC
Multiple
content.
choice question, as long as I take my class with MMCD, multimedia content, that I have made, and I have already made 11 classes that I will use it
Presentation.
from tomorrow. And but I have not selected the best teacher of the weekend by Shikhok Batayon, but I am trying my level
Teachers
best,
portal.
and I hope that you must help
We
me.
known at teachers portal.
Yeah, teachers portal and
Teachers
teachers
portal
portal.
is the one of the best application. Here include many teacher. Our government should take some step to the member of the teachers
Yeah.
portal, and you can get download and upload video, audio,
Yeah.
animation, and blog
It's
here
a
to write.
great.
And
I know that.
this is way our teacher will be improve their make class lesson plan, and they also download the here many content and upload an opinion to each other teacher, and then they are a 21st century the teacher will have should many uh, quality and quantity. The teachers portal have also helped them to
I'm proud.
distinguish
Yeah.
the among the teacher student to divided the all equality of we acquired from the varieties website and varieties tutorial from the YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube is our very best teacher, and Muktapat is our best friend, because Muktapat already helped many teacher. It is a very useful tutorial here, useful tutorial and very easy way. Any teacher to see the Muktapat video, he or she to earn point and acquire knowledge how to run computer, laptop, and MMC multimedia monitoring system, and making video, and many how can cultivate the farmland and chicken, and how to housekeeping very usefully, very easy way here. I
Yeah.
imagine it is very good.
Yeah. I learned many things from Muktapat, and I always thank to Muktapat, and I credit to Muktapat, because what I have learned, almost everything I have learned from Muktapat personally, and I have enriched myself from Muktopad because I love Muktopad and I love teachers portal as like Shikhok Batayon. That helps me very smartly because if I want to take a class, I downloaded some classes from because those who are best teachers, they have been made a good class and their classes has been selected as model class. Okay, and model class is very helpful for students. And if I using model classes, and my students will be very fruitful because uh, because a smart class, because a smart class, if I want to take, I have to utilize multimedia content. And 21st century education is skill based education. And if
ICT.
if we don't teach them, my students, skill based education, they are lagging behind. Because I use also Microsoft Innovator. I am a member of MIE. I have also got a certificate and 6 bases, but I didn't get time to spend time MIE. But I already visited some sites and it's very helpful and it's very educative. And
And you
I
also
learn
use
from
Skype
many things from
communication with
MIE.
other global education, the system, the other teacher from the other country, foreigner teacher, for the student, share their educational and cultural many things. We use their
Yeah.
Skype session.
Yes, Skype
And
session is very helpful
I
because
say
if
awarded
I
from
use,
ISA awarded international ISA award for awarded from
the,
other country makes the varieties country to help. We are very helpful about our
yeah, yeah,
student with the
yeah.
get benefited this.
Because Microsoft is the best way to teach, or not only teach but also learning things, because it's very great opportunity for a teacher if use these techniques and these skills. I believe that every student must be skilled. And yeah, I am the member of, but I am the member of third world country because my country students condition in English very poor, because we have to teach them English communicative way, and we have to teach our students to how can they speak in English.
Only
But our,
memories.
our students
Our
our
student only
students English
memories.
position.
Eh, our student only memories the English, but they cannot understand the main theme of the
No, not
communicated
only
English.
not only memory, but also we don't encourage them to speak in English. We are always
Yeah, yeah.
encourage them to learn. But I also inform you that there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. But listening has 35%, speaking has depending on 45. If you calculated them, listening and speaking 75% to learn a language, but writing and reading skills only 25%. But most of the students of our country are hanker for only 25% skills. But these skills never help to learn a language, because if I want to learn a language, I have to listen some things, then I have to speak. But we never listen a single word and we never speak a single word in English. But we are the teachers of our country. We conduct our session a lecture method, and we always teach our students to learn vocabulary, to read and write. But we never speak them to read out loudly. And you can ask me, sir, how are you? And I again, I am fine, and you? But in this way, we have to make them to communicate in English, but we never follow. We are always encouraging them how can they get good marks. But our
In
most
the
of the
examination,
students,
and they also how to GPA 5, but
yeah, yeah,
not government
it's
should take CGPA
no
now. CGPA.
CGPA or GPA. It's not the factor, but our guardians, they are always hankering after how can they good marks their
Good
son and
mark
daughter.
in the
But
exam.
they never understand. They never understand to speak in English when they pass their SSC, ACC exam, when they are searching for a job, but they have understood the reality because they have got a lot of marks, 80, 90, 95, but they are educated dumb men. When they ask the authority, tell me your identification in English, at that time, my brilliant students will become a dumb man because they never communicate in English because they have got a lot of
Okay.
marks, but they cannot share their views and they are accessing their ideas. Okay, but we
Okay.
build up our students as a educated dumb men. Dumb men means those who cannot speak. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank
but
you so
we
much.
build up them
It
educated
is
dumb men.
very. I and you the conversation very effectively. At the first time, I cannot speak English, but some days over. I'm not good at English. Some mistake to use English with others.
Yeah, yeah,
I
but
use Skype in other
by
country,
making mistake,
but day by day increase my vocabulary and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
speaking capacity, encourage my and improve my way to how to
Yeah, yeah.
communicate
Mr.
with
Nazmul,
others and communication.
Mr. Nazmul, I also
Yes.
inform you that by making mistake is not great mistake, but it is your learning point. It's your targeting point to communicate in English. But mostly we have forget to speak in English. We are always try to speak in English very correctly. No, when we learn in our childhood, when we walk, but at first stumble down, then stumble down, then stumble down. In this way, we had to stand up and then walk and run. But many teacher and many students, they believe that if I want to speak in English, if I can make mistake, it's a great mistake. But no, it doesn't matter. By making mistake, it's a natural process, and you can remember that. And by making mistakes, it helps you to learn any kind of language, and it's help you to communicate any kind of language because you have to. Some people are ignore you, some people rebuke you, and some people are insulted you. Your speaking style is not very good. But if you ask them, please, please, you can tell in English, but you will become that their face very fade and their face condition as a dumb man. But they are always trying to look after you when you make mistake. They are trying to make sometimes insult, but it doesn't matter. You cannot.
Practice make man perfect. I know that
Yeah, yeah.
practice make a perfect. This is a proverb.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is very
yeah.
useful
But
for
I'm not a good
me.
speaker. But I am not a good speaker. I try to speak in English, but I am not a good speaker. I cannot speak in English very smartly, very fluently. But I always try. I always try. Okay, and uh, I conduct my class in my school. I try to speak in English, and in this year I connected my students to speak in English, and sometimes I ask them to tell them your identification, and I help them in this way. You can share with me, but it doesn't matter. You can make mistake. It doesn't matter, but you can share. You have to share because last year I completed a training session at NIM in Dhaka on English, and that I have. I am very happy man to conduct a session. Those who are the best teacher in Bangladesh, and they conduct a session in NIM, and I saw them. They are teaching techniques, and they always told us that you have to encourage your students to speak in English. They have made mistake, it doesn't matter, but you have to start your journey to speak in English, to speak in English,
Okay.
to speak in English.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It is a good conversation. No more today. 20 minutes over. So you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
very helpful. I am very proud of you and a good conversation. Next day or next time we can make a lesson by Skype.
But I am invited to come my residence if you have time, because I want to learn many things from you. If you have time, next week you will receive my invitation. I hope that you will come to my residence, and I learn many things because on ICT I have to learn because I already inform you that you have helped me because I am a newcomer. I am a learner. In
Okay, okay. Thank you so
2018,
much. No more today.